Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to set up a push-to-talk for priority within your Discord user. So let's go ahead and go into user settings and then go to keybinds. All right, I'm going to click add keybind here. And then we're going to go push-to-talk priority. So what that means is that if you are a priority person within a specific Discord server, your volume when you are talking is going to be a lot louder than the other users within the Discord voice channel. So it can be really useful if like you're streaming or maybe if you have a class or I don't know, you're just with your friends and you're the mod and you choose to have it. So I'm going to have the keybind be Command F for this. So I'm going to hit recording, Command F. All right, and there we go. It has been set. So when we go into a Discord server, the priority for me, when I hit Command F, it will make me louder than the other users within that Discord voice channel. So I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, be sure to give it a like, subscribe. You can check out more Discord tutorials in the description down below.